Okay, so here is the Bose QuietComfort EarBuds. Yeah, we got a good view of them. So I've been using the Galaxy Buds. They don't have wireless charging, they don't have ANC, and they don't have an ambient mode. But it has USB-C on the back of it to charge, and they're pretty light and easy to pop out and pop in, so they're nice. I have the Bose QuietComfort 35 version 2, the one with Google Assistant, and these are pretty nice. I like that you can, just fold it, tuck it away in the case that it comes with. They're light. I've always hated over-ear headphones like my whole life. They've always hurt after an hour wearing them. That includes the Sony XM1s, XM2s, and XM3s. These just have a bigger ear cup that I can put my ear inside, and it doesn't feel like it's touching the driver, like the actual speaker. So I've always been using these, but after using Buds, because everybody got rid of the headphone jack, it's really hard to just go to this. Like, it feels so bulky. Like, do I really need this for an audiobook? I could use these while cooking or, something easy. So basically, I wanted this experience, but in this form factor. And that's where these came in. So we're going to see if they deliver, and hopefully they do. Hopefully this is in view. I wasn't sure. But yeah, we'll put that plastic bag there. Yeah, it just smells like a new box, nothing special. I don't know if I have to actually take this plastic cover off or I can just slide it off. I would like to just slide it off, but no, you can't do that. You have to rip it open. Okay, so you do have to rip this. See this? Okay. And then now this comes off. And we can put that over here, I guess. And it's like a jewelry box. It's like you got a necklace or something. Okay, well, that didn't come out as clean as I would have liked. But, alright, in here you got your buds. I used to use the Bose QuietComfort 20s, QC 20s. Those are like the wired ones with the little battery pack on it. And those are pretty good. But what ended up happening with those is the plastic around it, or the silicone, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, it's silicone, it's not plastic. It started to come off, and then it got like really, just like bad, like really, you can feel the plastic and stuff, and it's just kind of booty. This is just it's a pretty good quality USB-C cable actually. It's a nice small one. So yeah. I'll probably just put this back in here because I'm probably never going to use this at all. I have no need for it, I could just use my phone charger. See, I don't remember if these have the ability for wireless charging. My phone doesn't have the wireless charging. So I can't charge my phone, and then, I have a OnePlus, so you can fast charge it, and then you can just use, what's it called? The back of your phone to charge your buds. So this is like a manual, and then it talks about the warranty. I obviously don't need any of this. Yeah, I remember this happened last time. If I try to show you the setup, I'm using my phone to record it. So how am I supposed to show the setup? I mean, to be honest, it's not that difficult. You download the app, and you basically just put it in your ear, click, you connect it. I mean, I'm pretty sure all of you have connected Bluetooth headphones before. I mean, one day I get a second camera, but that's not today. So this is the case. It's definitely meatier than this one by like 2 times. It's actually pretty big. This might sound like bullshit, but this one feels lighter, or it might just be that You know that when you get something in the beginning. No, this one does feel lighter than this one, yeah. Okay, yeah, that's not placebo. Let's see if we can close this up. Usually the medium size fits me fine, so we'll put that right there. This is this. Maybe I can show a size difference. Hopefully I'm not in the way of the light. The Bose one I just got. The Galaxy Buds. These are the first Galaxy Buds, not the second ones. And the back probably has like serial number or whatever on the bottom. But yeah. Let's open this up. Oh. Okay. Once again, what it looks like. It's got that glossy plastic. Close it. And then open it. You push. Oh, okay. You push inside. Opens up just like that. And then, I'll just pop one of them in my ears. It's not connected with Bluetooth, but that's what it looks like. Once again, the inside. Wirelessly charges. It's like glossy. It's not like the LG tones where they have a ultraviolet light in there, which, you know, kills like bacteria and stuff. And this is what it looks like. It's just a glossy plastic bean, but on the outside, it's got that like Bose matte look to it. So, yeah, I'll pop this in. Okay, it's doing something. It's playing music by itself. And I'm not doing anything. Okay, now it's doing that. Now it's doing that Bose thing where it says ready to connect. Oh my god. Wow. The noise cancelling actually works on these. Like really good. It's like as good as over-ear headphones. The noise cancelling is actually like almost as good. This is actually amazing. Oh my god. 1 second. I have no idea if it's going to be using my headphones for... Here's what they look like. That's what they look like. Hopefully that showed up. But I put the noise cancellation on completely. These are like actually like they're like actually over here like Bose noise cancellation, like real noise cancellation, like not BS. Like they're actually like, really good. The audio quality is like actually like really good. Like they're buds, but they're not bad. I hopped on a Discord call. My friend said my audio quality is shit. They said I sound like I'm on a jet, so maybe it's something I can calibrate, but like, woo. Audio quality is good. Like, I don't know if I can use these with an Oculus Quest 2, but if I can just use these with a Quest 2, and I don't have to wear these instead, that would really be nice. That would be nice. So, we'll see. I don't know how big the latency is. I just listened to some music off YouTube just now. Let's not pretend that I'm using LDAC and, you know, I have, you know, like actual title is what it's called. And what are they called when you use FLAC? Yeah, you have like real files. Like I'm doing real audio. Like I'm not doing that. But if you double tap again, now it makes the noise cancellation level 5, and then one more time. Noise cancellation is completely off, and I can hear my voice a bit better now. And it's like, dude, they're like really good. It's like crazy. It's like they're good. Like they're honestly good. Yeah, I mean that's all I can say. I mean this was 100. These were like, if you can use your student discount for like 15% off, I think they were like 242-ish, maybe 268. I don't know, something like that, because of tax. You know, you gotta pay that stuff. But maybe the audio quality isn't good, but like, ooh, like I wish there was an easy way to adjust the volume up and down. Like on these, you can adjust the volume up and down with the buttons. I have to actually reach for my phone, click volume up and down. Oh shit, that's hot. Okay, so Yeah, yeah, but they're really nice, honestly. Um, I don't know. Maybe I can come back with something better than just saying, "Oh my God, they're amazing." Oh my God. Because right now, like, I'm impressed. My intentions were, can I get this experience, but wireless? And I've tested the Bluetooth range on these buds are farther than these, and this what would piss me off. The Bluetooth range on these are further than these, so I want to sell these. I want to get rid of these. I'll probably pick up the XM4s because those are the best, right? So, but in terms of buds, like I didn't want to buy the Apple ones because I look like a girl. I'm wearing earrings. I don't like that design. These were cool, but the pro version of these look like Jack and the Beanstalk magic beans. I'm not getting those. And then I wanted real noise cancellation, but then Sony for some reason decided to, hey, let's make our best buds. Oh, but yeah, we're not going to put LDAC on it. So, like, if you're not going to put LDAC on it, why am I buying the Sony product? Apparently, Sony's noise cancellation is better than Bose's now. I mean, Bose's literal company is literally just ANC technology, which was in suspensions. Okay, ANC is anti-noise cancellation, where it has to, if there's a sound, it has to create that sound, has to replicate it and hit it back, so it like cancels it, right? So they designed that technology in suspensions for cars, and then you can see, go watch the video from like 1990s or whatever, and you see the cars predicting like the pothole, and then it can like calibrate so like you don't feel the pothole, but like nobody wanted to pay $2,000 for like that suspension kit that you can't feel potholes, so they brought that algorithm, that technology into ANC and your headphones. So, yeah. When these came out, no competition. Everything was garbage. Apparently, the new XM4s have USB-C, and they made the cups a little bit bigger, and there's way too many features on it for me not to give it a try. The other thing that's terrible on these is the when you try to hop on a Discord call or phone call, it makes like this static noise when you're on the call. Like it doesn't have enough bandwidth. So it's like stereo and then it hits mono. When I'm using these buds and I hop on a Discord call or phone call and then I'm trying to listen to the music, it does lower it, but it's still in like, it's stereo, it feels. It doesn't feel like it restricts it to mono and you hear like a lot of static, which is, honestly, I feel like it's frying my brain or giving me like brain damage or something. Like it's like ridiculous, that static. But yeah, these are great. I was kind of struggling to connect it to Bluetooth in the beginning, but I was able to connect it. This is great. I'll keep playing around with it, but I'll update like eventually. But for now, like, yeah, I'm pretty happy. The larges fit my ear. The small did. The medium, for some reason, it was not fitting at all. Like it was not fitting at all. So, yeah, I'll just box this up like this. Put these in there. Put this like this. It's funny. These headphones have that angled opening, and it's the same angled opening, like rise, that these graphics cards have. And it's like when you open it, it's like I mean, I'll just open this one. This one's already open. The other one's not opened. Okay, you wanna just work? Okay, bro. I don't know what to do. It's not listening to me. Please, just work, bro. Trying to make a point here. Doesn't look good if you don't cooperate. Okay. I'm almost there, man. Almost there. Come on, bro. It's funny because like this box comes off like quite easily, but then today when I'm trying to show it at this given moment in time, it won't come off for the life of me. There, it's off. Yeah, it still smells like Cole's new shoes. But see that? See that angle? It's the same thing. It's the same angle. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see. See, it's the same angle. Look. See, slide it back on. I don't know why it's so tight. You see this one? Look, same thing. See that? See that angle? Can you see that? Look, that angle, and then the angle, and then you just not seeing it. Look how it's not straight. It's angled, and then it's got that angle, and then you have to angle, and then it becomes straight. So So yeah, I guess I'll update this when I've actually like used it in the real world, not just wow, it was cool for 15 minutes. They are $280, so I do have to try them out, like, and give it like a real test. Okay, we'll update later. Peace.